joining us. This is our Stark County Association Women's Council of Realtors installation. A little bit different for 2020, but we'll just get started, and we welcome you for listening in. In the life of every organization, we need members to grow and lead, and our other members to learn and follow. Our Women's Council of Realtors Stark County chapter upcoming officers were elected in our September meeting. They are planning, working, and ready to serve in 2021. As I call your name, please come forward. Stephanie Owens, Secretary. Stephanie, your job as Secretary is to ensure proper reporting, taking minutes of our governing board meeting and our programs, assist with the Stark County chapter compliance and correspondence as requested by our president. Yolanda Barnes will be our treasurer. Yolanda, your office is to ensure strategies and systems are in place to support the financial health and integrity of the Stark County chapter, as well as to ensure proper reporting and chapter compliance with all state and federal laws and regulations. Melanie Kidder, President-elect. Melanie, you will support the President in fulfilling her duties, building leadership skills, and preparing to assume your year as President in 2022. You should be working on developing and maintaining productive relationships with our strategic partners to ensure satisfaction and support for the Stark County chapter. And I'd like to bring our 2021 President, Beth Campbell, forward. Beth, we are honored to be installing you in the highest office the Women's Council of Realtors can bestow. We look for the kind of unselfish leadership that will bring success, harmony, and achievement in 2021. You will provide leadership and direction for the Stark County chapter, keeping your team focused on the mission of the council and the business plan. You will act as the local voice for the Women's Council brand, articulating the value of the chapter, representing Women's Council throughout our community, and setting the tone for active member involvement. For our entire leadership team and the positions you're about to assume, you'll be identified as officers of the Women's Council of Realtors Stark County chapter, dedicated to the best interests of the profession and welfare of our membership. As part of the 2021 leadership team, you are entering upon a new phase of service, cooperation, and leadership. You will exemplify the best that realtors have to offer our profession and communities. Guard this trust carefully and give full measure of your time, qualities, and leadership. If you're ready to accept the responsibilities of your office, please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly promise and swear to administer the office to which you have been elected to the best of your judgment and ability, conforming to the bylaws of the Women's Council of Realtors, observing and enforcing the Code of Ethics, and supporting the activities and interests of the Women's Council at all times? If so, answer, I do promise.
I do promise.
It's my honor, by virtue of authority conferred upon me, to declare each of you duly and officially installed in your prospective offices. I extend to you my sincere congratulations and best wishes in 2021. In this unusual year of 2020, via email and Facebook, it's my honor to present to you the 2021 Women's Council of Realtors Stark County Leadership Team. Beth, if you'd like to say a few words.
Thank you for joining us for this installation for 2021. As most of you know, I was also the president for 2020. Some of my officers are also carrying forward into 2021. We had a lot of promise and a lot of hope for 2020, and we did reach some of our goals that we had. We actually had programs in January, February, and March, our past president luncheon in June, and a bus trip in October. We're carrying forward our strategic plan from 2020 into 2021, and it's kind of a do-over. Not very often in our lives do we have a do-over, and we're going to take advantage of that. It has been a difficult year for all of us, and I think everyone knows someone who has been affected by the pandemic and COVID-19. Some of us have lost loved ones, and some of us are still struggling in our businesses and our family lives to find a good balance and a way to put food on the table and take care of our families. Our prayers are with all of us in this trying time, and we had a lot of hope and a lot of excitement for 2020. I think the hope and excitement that we have is tenfold for 2021, considering where we've been and where we've come and moving forward. We have a lot of great things on the table that we're working on for 2021, not only for our Realtor members, but also for our strategic partners. Something we've done different for 2021, if you or your company was a strategic partner or strategic patron for 2020, you carry forward as a strategic partner and a strategic patron in the same level from 2020 into 2021. It does not cost you anything. We're just kind of extending the year. If you're thinking of becoming a strategic patron or a strategic partner for 2021, please check out our website, our Facebook page, or talk to a WCR member of how to do that. We're working hard to get some programs and seminars together and some networking opportunities to bring our members before you for that networking. With that being said, if you are a current member of WCR, please renew as soon as possible so we know who's going to renew. And I know that our members now and our governing board and our committees have been very active together through 2021 via email, phone call, Zoom meetings. We've tried to stay relevant, tried to stay together, and we continue to do that for 2021, and I think we're going to have a great year. Like I said, we've got no place to go but up from here. So thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in 2020.